Hello dear students and doctors, we are group 34 and I'm gonna talk about cytoscape software under the supervision of Dr. Abdelbari Prince. الcontent بتاعتنا definition and introduction, difference between pathway and network, purpose of molecular interaction and PPI interaction. Number 1, definition and introduction. Cytoscape is an open source of bioinformatics software platform for visualizing molecular interaction networks and integrating with gene expression profiles and other state data. Cytoscape support many use such as molecular systems, genomics, and proteomics, as load molecular and genetic interaction datasets in many standard format, project and integrate global datasets and functional annotation, establish powerful visual mapping across these data. يعني لو أنا عندي data between molecular interaction معين، الcytoscape software ده ممكن يعمل لها visual mapping بحيث تكون easily to be visualized. تمام. Perform advanced analysis and modeling using Cytoscape apps, visualize and analyze human-created pathway datasets such as Wiki Pathway, Reactome, and KEGG. تاني حاجة نعرفها ان في connection between السايتوسكيب والجافا سكريبت. زي ما عرفنا ان السايتوسكيب بيعمل visualizing وanalyzing للداتا اللي عندي. طيب الجافا سكريبت لما بيحصل ما بينها وما بين السايتوسكيب سوفتوير connection، السايتوسكيب بيعمل visualization وanalyzing للجرافs بتاعت الجافا سكريبت. okay, and there is a vital aspect of the software architecture of Cytoscape is the use of plugins for specialized features. طيب ايه هي البلugins دي؟ plugins are available for network and molecular profiling analysis, additional file format support and connection with database, and searching in a large network. Plugins may be developed using a Cytoscape open Java software architecture by anyone, and plugin community development is encouraged. Plugins are developed by core developers and the greater user community. طيب ودي صورة بتوضح النتورك اللي بتطلع لي لما بنعمل Cytoscape software. بتبقى النتورك دي الكور دي اسمها نودز او بتمثل النودز، والكونكشن ما بينه اسمه الادجز. اوكي. Number 2, difference between pathway and network. pathway versus network. أول حاجة نعرفها إن البوث aggregate molecular events across multiple genes and increase statistical detection. طيب pathway بيبقى small scale well studied non-linear relationship. relationship ما بينهم بتبقى linear، بتبقى في حاجة بتعمل connection مع حاجة بشكل linear، easily visualized and interpreted لأن هو linear فسهل إن احنا نشوفه ونفسره. تمام. أما النتورك بتبقى large scale complicated، بيحصل integration of multiple studies, hard to visualize and interpret, contain novel information not covered in the pathway. حاجة جديدة على النتورك ان هي فيها novel information ما بتبقاش متوضحة كويس في الباثوي. تمام. Number 3, purpose of molecular interaction. In biology, nothing can happen until something attaches to something else. Okay. Although much of the effort in bioinformatics has been focused on the detection of homology or reduction of structure and function from a sequence, okay, in long term bioinformatics will need to be able to predict what other molecules in a given gene product will bind to and how tightly the binding will be. At the moment, no one can understand how they accomplish this on the regular basis. The collection of huge data sets for molecular interaction will aid in the discovery of a predicted molecular interaction properties, measurement methods for molecular interaction, and becoming more capable of determining interaction on a big scale. Number 4, protein-protein interaction. البروتين interaction ده application في السايتوسكيب software enable us to analyze the interaction between two proteins or a group of proteins in a collection of protein-protein interaction network or signaling networks database. When there are different level of confidence over the interaction, the application is able to process them and identify the cascade of interactions with the highest total confidence score. Given a set of protein اللي هي strongest path can extract a set of possible interactions between the input protein and expand the network by adding new proteins that have the most interaction with the highest total confidence to the current network of protein. This application can be used in the built-in human and mouse PPI or signaling database or any user provided database or some organism. And this picture shows the PPI interaction network made with glutamate receptor in cytoscape. الcytoscape بيديني network زي دي. Okay. And thank you. And this slide shows our name in this activity. And goodbye.